Can Python print a function definition? In JavaScript, one can print out the definition of a function. Is there a way to accomplish this in Python? Just playing around in interactive mode, and I wanted to read a module without open. I was just curious.
If you are importing the function, you can use inspect.getSource. This will work in the interactive prompt, but apparently only on objects that are imported, not objects defined within the interactive prompt. And of course it will only work if Python can find the source code, so not on built-in objects, clibs, pike files, etc.
If you're using IPython, you can use function_name?" to get help, and function_name?" will print out the source if it can.
This is the way I figured out how to do it. This takes out the new line characters and prints the function out nicely.
While I generally agree that inspect is a good answer, I disagree that you can't get the source code of objects defined in the interpreter. If you use dil.source.getSource from dil, you can get the source of functions and lambdas, even if they are defined interactively. It also can get the code for from bound or unbound class methods and functions defined in queries. However, you might not be able to compile that code without the enclosing objects code.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.